Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be showing 4 megapixels Wi-Fi kits, monitor and web page configuration, and remote operation instruction. We've got a piece of NVR, 4 pieces of IP cameras. We see we have menus for IPC, stickers, leases, waterproof connectors, screws and pipes, network cable, power adapters for IPC and NVR, mouse. For the interfaces of NVR, there are power interface, USB interfaces, HDMI interface, VGA interface, WAN interface, and LAN interfaces. For IP camera, it has power interface and network interface. We may now start connecting. Connect the NVR and the monitor with VGA, so it will later show up the pictures. Then we should connect WAN interface and the LAN interface of the router with network cable. We see the mouse and adapters remained here, so let's finish doing it. Mouse to NVR and adapters to each cameras. Nicely done. Configuration dominates a significant position before actually monitoring. Let's try it. Log in first. While configuration can even help you solve some problems. For example, we might delete a camera shown on the screen while using it in our daily life, but you can still get it back through configuring. Go to Menu and Camera. Click Add. So the system will automatically search the cameras connected. Select Private. Choose the camera deleted and match. See, it's back. Alright, now let's see instruction for the video recording and historic playback. First off, click HDD to get formatting, just to make sure that the disk will work properly. So you may back out the files before. Confirm. It's now initializing. Log in again. Check again that we can see it shows in use. Next, we can set up the recording on which day you want to record by selecting the channel, like All, and apply. Get the playback. Select the date and channel so you can watch the specific videos recorded and play. For your information, recording for 1 to 2 minutes is a must before checking the videos. Motion detection is one of the important functions and can help you capture what moves in the area. So how to set it up? Go to Camera and Motion. Set a channel 1 as the device to detect. Here you can see the sensitivity with the scale. The higher, the faster, and more sensitive. Check Enable Detection, Buzzer Alarm, and record the channel. If you want to apply for what you have set for the rest of the channels from channel 1, you can check off and apply. Okay, come back to the record where we can set up the time of recording. Select Motion and All. Copy all. Save and apply. Let's test how it works. Pretty sensitive. 4 channels are alarming when we see the little guys. If you want to get using film for monitoring, you may need to make sure you have done the right configuration. Get a configuration, network, and P2P. When the status shows online, it means P2P is on now. Subsequently, we will run the app called FreeIP to operate after downloading from app stores. Sign up an account as if for the first time you use it. Login. Add device through SNAT. Enter the account and password. As well as verification code that you can get from the camera. Good job! Add your own device name. We can also check the information about NVR connected. Preview by clicking plus and select. We made it. Alright, next. Here's the instruction for how to monitor through web page. Firstly, make sure that the laptop is on and connect the laptop and LAN of NVR with the network cable. Type the website or play the disk to download and install IP search tool and VMS line. Click search, and here we got 40 cameras in one NVR. Have double click on NVR to get to the web page and log in. Download the plugin before monitoring. and we will log in again. See, pretty easy. Let's go to instruction for video recording and historic playback. First off, click HDD to get formatting. Select the disk and format. Log in again. Next, let's check the status of the disk to see if it is using. We may go to record now. To set up the recording on which day you want to record, by selecting channel like all. And make it 24/7 if you want. Save. Historic playback time. You can check out the specific date you have recorded on, and more channels to show. Awesome, right? But for your information, video files recorded at the beginning need a few minutes to produce. Motion detection can also be switched on over the web page. Go to Camera and Motion Detection. For example, set channel 1 as the device to detect. Draw the area that will be sensitive. However, we can clear it if we don't want it. Enable. Here you can see the sensitivity with the number, the higher, the faster, and more sensitive. Check buzzer alarm and record channel and save. Come back to the recorder where we can set up the timer recording. Select all and save. We can also realize remote operation through web page. How? Let's go to Configuration, System, Network, and P2P. If we see this shows online, it means it is able to do it now. Subsequently, we run the app called FreeIP to operate after downloading from app stores. Sign up an account as you for the first time use it. Login. Add device through SNAT. Enter the account and password. As well as verification code that you can get from the camera. Good job! It's your own device name. We can also check the information about NVR connected. Preview by clicking plus and select. We made it. VMS Lite is an application which manages multiple devices all in one, including NVR, XVR, IPC, HD, and such. We can do what we normally do with the cameras on this application. So let's check it out. Get to the webpage where you then can click Read More on PC Client to download and install the software. Or you can of course install it from the disk. Download the version which is suitable for your computer. After installing, we may log in or sign up as for the first time you use it. Click Device to get managed the NVR and cameras. Add the NVR device to your system. We are able to preview now. Besides, if we want to set up the recording and watch the playback, we may go back to Home and Storage. Set Always on those cameras which will record. Save. Then how can we just check the playback bits? Click Local Playback. We can watch it after adding the devices.